The world we live in is full of invisible microorganisms that are unavoidable when it comes to managing the quality of our lives. Although there are trillions of cells in the human body, the bacterial count is up to 10 times higher. But do not be scared. Most of them are good for us. Bacteria plays an important part in prolonging our youth, strengthening our immune systems, serving as a shield to allergies, and keeping us healthy and energetic. However, this is only true in an ideal situation when the proportion of good to bad bacteria is 80 to 20. Stress, bad habits, and unhealthy lifestyles turn the situation upside down, reversing the ratio to 20 to 80 in favor of bad ones. BioIn now comes to your aid. This is a program that combines science and state-of-the-art technologies, making it possible to gain the synergetic benefits from symbiotic bacterial colonies and helping our bodies to rejuvenate and restore all natural resources. The BioIn program rebuilds the body's microflora over the course of 120 days in a few easy stages. Digestico is a 9-day cleansing regime that gets rid of harmful toxins and prepares the digestive tract for the intake of symbiotics. This personalized nutrition plan and its dosage recommendations act as a guidance on creating the most effective environment for the assimilation and reproduction of good bacteria in your body. To further strengthen and increase the percentage of assimilation, BioIn introduces 2 categories of symbiotics: symbiotics for men and symbiotics for women. This stage also requires the intake of symbiotics with antioxidants. Each sachet contains a large dose of added antioxidants that support and protect fragile bacteria from free radicals, as well as prevent the newly introduced bacteria from being washed out of the body. The next step ensures full functioning of the assimilated good bacteria and directly supports their reproduction, improving the body's microflora. Cobiotico activates the function of digestive enzymes, helping the breakdown of food into small nutritional particles called cobiotics. Cobiotics act as nutrition for bacterial colonies that enhance the frequency of probiotic multiplication, as well as importantly playing the same role for the body's cells. To improve the body's microflora, you can choose 2 of 4 types of functional symbiotics to satisfy your specific needs. Anti-hypersensitivity symbiotics, recommended for those suffering from increased sensitivity and frequent allergic reactions. Oral care symbiotics kill pathogenic bacteria that cause tooth decay, bad breath, and periodontosis. They also reduce gingival inflammation. Respiratory system symbiotics improve the body's oxygen supply, advised for those suffering from frequent respiratory tract infections. Bone care symbiotics improve calcium, magnesium, and the absorption of other minerals, as well as stimulating the formation of collagen and bone mineral density. They also improve bone structure and cell growth. These products may be altered according to personal needs and goals. Functional symbiotics need to be taken at different stages, in rotation with Cobiotico. The uniqueness of our program lies in providing the body with functional symbiotics together with cobiotics taken at strictly assigned times in line with scientifically calculated criteria in order to improve the body's microflora. The final stage guarantees the maintenance of the restored microflora, enriched with complex nutritional items vital for probiotics, symbiotics, and all body cells. This important step restores a positive ratio for good to bad bacteria. BioIn is a unique and highly effective approach to keeping the body's microflora in balance by providing it with high doses of carefully selected lively bacteria that are reintroduced into your system with one goal, which is to consistently take care of your well-being.